Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a 5-minute warm-up for pregnancy women. We'll start with the neck. Arms into the shoulders and the legs wider. We'll go to the right. You can close your eyes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to breathe. 6, 7. Very nice. Arms into the sides, and when we go with the ear down, we stretch a little bit to the right. And exhale. Four, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. Arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. Arms. We keep 90 degrees into the arms, and arm from the body also 90 degrees. Keep your back straight. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll feel the arms really nice. We can shake. Arms up. 1, 2. Push down the elbows. 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. Shake. Elbows to the body. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This exercise was very nice for the back. So head, neck, back, and we keep going with the shoulders, and we go to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we're gonna bend the knees and we'll do the 8. 1, 2. You'll feel the hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. I'll turn so you can see my back. Inhale. Bend the knees. The back is 45 degrees forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And 1 and 2. Very nice. And 3 and 4, and we keep it here. You'll feel the back very nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Arms up and 1 foot on the toes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. So I warmed up. Did you? This warm up you can do even if you are not pregnant. To not lose the next videos, click subscribe and the notify bell, and this will help me a lot as a new content creator. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.